Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the front left hand side headlight bulb on this MG SW5. So this particular model is 2021 and it's the front left hand side headlight bulb we're going to change. So in order to change the headlight bulb we'll have to remove the engine cover to get to the back of the headlight. So we'll have to remove a couple of scrivets here to remove the cover. So there's no way we can get to it without removing the cover. So we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to undo the scrivets. There you go. That's how the scrivets look like. So that's all the scrivets taken off. So now we can remove the cover. Right, here we go. Now that we have taken the cover off, so what we're going to do next is we're going to remove this fuse box lid. So here is the dust cap. Just going to remove the dust cap off. Here is the bulb. So what we're going to do is with two fingers, what we're going to do is going to twist it anti-clockwise, bring it to this position, and then we're going to pull the bulb out. There we go. So that's the bulb out of the way. So next what we're going to do is we're going to lift this tab up in this manner and remove the old bulb. So that's the old bulb out of the way. Here is the new bulb. It's HB3/P20D type bulb. So that is the 12 volt bulb with the 60 watt power. So just gonna pull it out of the box. We got this from our local auto parts shop for a very reasonable price. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this protection there. Just gonna bring the harness here. Just gonna push it in here like this. So that's the bulb fully connected into the harness. Next we're gonna remove this protective cover. Here is the bulb. So the way we're gonna fit it is we're gonna push it in here in this manner like this. So now the bulb is sitting in nicely, all the grooves are home. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a thumb. There you go. So with the thumb you just do this movement and the bulb is fully home now. You can see the bulb fully home. So twist it anti-clockwise to remove it, and then you'll have to fit the bulb in an angle which I mentioned earlier, and that's how you fit it back into the slot. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit the dust cap back on. So the dust cap goes here. Very important to put the dust cap back on. People forget them, because if you don't put the dust cap back on, you're going to draw all the dust into the light, into the lens, and that's going to destroy your light over the period of time. Next what we're going to do is we're going to fit the fuse box cover back on. There we go. Next what we're going to do is we're going to test the light. There we go, that's the light working fine. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to fit this engine bay cover back onto the car. So the cover comes in place in this manner, like this. Then the scrivets go one by one. That's the headlight bulb on this MG SW5. Nicely been replaced. I hope you find my video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.